Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My girlfriend and I just got back from camping, and I want to give you a quick tour of our sleeping system that we had set up for this weekend. So starting off, we have all of our storage up front here. And so I'm just going to unload this just to show you kind of the stuff that we brought along with us. You know, we just have the cooler down here, boots, backpack, coat, and then this is all of our camping gear without food, all of our camping gear that we usually bring. Here we just got some targets because we did do a little shooting. And the front seat kept pretty clean, just got a mask, and inside here we have our gloves, a couple raincoats, just, you know, main stuff that I usually keep in here. The front's pretty clean. There's no real change for the front when we go camping. But in the back here, you know, we have our bug spray, and I'll show you more of that once we get this stuff cleaned out. So I'm going to take this out quick. Alrighty, so as you can see, I got most of the gear out now, and it's pretty dirty. I'll be cleaning it just after I shoot this video here. And here's all the gear that we usually bring with us. And a small cooler this weekend just because we didn't have too much food that we needed kept cold. And this is our main camping bin. Everything but food and sleeping system is in here, just the main stuff that we bring camping. So moving on to our sleeping system, if you open the back here, you can see we got it filled up. We put our chairs on top. Those are our luxury camping chairs, but I'll take those out now. We have smaller chairs as well, but these ones, you know, if you want a little more comfortable camping session, glamping, one could say. So here's the sleeping system now, and basically when you have the seats up, it folds it down into itself. But once I put those back seats down, also note that I pushed the front seats forward. So these seats you'll press down and bring forward. It kind of gives you more space in the back so that when you pull these down, you have more room to lay the pad out on. So this is actually a king size 2-inch memory foam mattress pad. As you can see, it folds in a little on the sides, but once you have the seats up, you know, it's good for storage. And then when you're ready to set up your sleeping system, you can just toss it back like that, toss your sheet over on both sides. And from there we have our pillows. We just bring 3 pillows usually. Toss those up. We got 2 blankets here and 2 sleeping bags. And we stay pretty warm with this. Last night it got down to about 25 degrees. So pretty cold, but we did perfectly fine in the Jeep. Stayed relatively warm. So this is the one that my girlfriend would use, and she will put a blanket inside of there. And then I'll usually crack open one of those hand warmers, or the large ones, and she'll throw that in her bag, and that'll keep her pretty warm. I just use this bag here, and then we throw a big, nice fuzzy blanket on top of us, and yeah, we stay nice and cozy, and it works great. Let's see if I'll lay these out so we can get a cute thumbnail for the video. So this here is what it's going to end up looking like, and as you can see, it's a little beveled up on the sides, which is all right. I mean, it's going to protect you from the sub and the storage side, or the wheel well there. But it's not really a big deal. It kind of cuddles you and keeps you in the middle though, close to your partner. This can also be done if I folded this into thirds. I can do this just on the 2/3 side. I can fold that down, and that'd be actually a comfier platform to be laying on. But this worked great. Again, this is about a 2-inch memory foam. And on the sides, it's folded over on itself pretty evenly on both sides. And yeah, it works great. You know, I just got that hooked on there. Works great though. And again, this red blanket would go on top of us, this bigger blanket, and we'd put our sleeping bags underneath here to stay warm. And yeah, so that's kind of the layout of the system. Alrighty guys, that's our sleeping setup for when we go camping. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me. It helps me out. And if you're interested in more videos like these, you can hit that subscribe button as I'm producing more content as we are all stuck in quarantine right now. Alrighty, have a good one, take care,